Greetings. Well, welcome to Microsoft Project Pricer, MSP Pricer. And you may recall last time we showed you a little bit about the cost input sheet and how it works and the various other elements and reports that were presented. Now, this time we're going to go through a little bit about the menu and just, how to get around and move around and export things and look at the reports. So don't have much time here today, but I'm going to do the best I can. So, if you need to work just strictly a Microsoft project and do whatever you would like to do, you may do that. And anytime you want to bring back the task plane, show your actual cost, you can do that at any time with that little feature right underneath the MSP Pricer window. And we can also exit too. So complete portability, ability to bring it in and out as you wish. Remember, the all-important feature is to update your tables. That pulls back-end table data from Microsoft Project in order to execute the commands of our program and to price accordingly. In the reporting module, we have element of cost detail. We give you a status bar to let you know what's going on. And it automatically calculates, and so we can move the Excel spreadsheets, basically what it is. We brought it into Microsoft Project to work together and combine the features of two pretty cool tools. And as you can see, it prices by element of cost over time. And if this was a pretty large schedule and we were doing a satellite build, that would be millions of dollars, and you'd have a pretty big picture look. Let's take it down for a minute because we can bring it back at any time. Let's try a different level. Say we want to do level 1. So level 1 of the work breakdown structure gives you an idea of the roll-up and total program cost. Where'd it go? Well, we just want to bring it back. So let's bring it back, and there we go. As we can see, it's all rolled up now. Now, our next really important tool, now remember this is by level of WBS. This is total program, so funding profiles here with time phase dollars by month, but then we need the all-important estimate to complete. An estimate to complete is simply combining actuals through a certain period of time, combining it with forward pricing, i.e. what's remaining, the work remaining, and we combine the two in order to create an EAC. Now our cloud-based system, which this is meant to work seamlessly with, exports this information in a rather easy fashion, but let's create it first. We can't export without creating it first. So I'm going to set a period of time of November 1, and then we're going to capture that information. As you can see, we show November 1 here, grand totals, the remaining work, which if we're pulling Oracle, SAP, Microsoft Dynamic data, added onto this, then we'd have a full EAC. Let's talk about the export. We can go directly to IBMS, or we can go right to your desktop. Let's look at IBMS. IBMS is Intelligent Business Management Solutions. That's our actual company name. But we call IBMS Enterprise a pipeline platform that is cloud-based that controls, or not controls, but provides a total big picture look from tip to toe of your entire business enterprise. So when we upload into into IBMS, we can quickly see we have a URL for a location. We have a user and password. Make sure that you're the right person bringing information in. This happens to be a project ID field, which is all important in order to mate with accounting details. And then we need to code the data. What is it that we're bringing in? New contract, change proposal, definitized contract, definitized change, performance baseline, or estimate to complete. In this case, we want to say estimate to complete. And we can upload to IBMS or export to the desktop. Let's export to the desktop. So we're going to export the cost input sheet, and we'll just say simply save. It's on the desktop right now. Let's look at the desktop. Here it is. And we're opening up Excel. It says it's a read only. That's because we're currently in it. So there's the data that comes out. And of course we have our cost input sheet. Remember, it will export whatever levels you've left it at. So in this case, top level. So that's Excel. And let's bring up project again so we can see. So everything is back to where it should be. We'll bring Excel back here.